previously recorded. And then they got the horses and different kind of salamis and all kinds of meats and stuff where you can get cut right off the... Huh? No, just looking. Thank you. Different kind of cheese, provolone and mild Swiss and Vermont cheddar and smoked Gouda and Havarti cheese and onion jack and spicy cheddar and Wisconsin cheddar Colby. Just juicy Swiss, baby. Swiss. All kinds of turkey. Then they got their store brand of the same thing. That is a spicy tiger roll, crab, deluxe roll, tuna, salmon roll, Hawaiian, Italian. They sell the dough bread, just the dough. So you got, oh, okay. Oh, we're going to be making us some pizzas. I can come and buy the dough. What? What that is? Italian? Hold on. What? That's the pre-rolled out dough. $3.50. Still gotta be cut. I wasn't even looking. It came right at me too.
They coming through, y'all. Come on, babe. Where you wait? Which way?
Right here.
Lift it up. Down. Push it down. Push it down. Let it up. Let it up.
Watch where that thing going now. Wanna see? Uh-uh. There you go. There you go.
Hey, come on. Do it that way.
Hold on, I got some time. Let me go behind.
Come help me. Get outside of the boat. That way. Push it that way.
Alright, y'all. So this is what I got done. Right here. Broke a rake doing it. But I done made some progress. And look at her. Got all that done. Cleaned up. I don't know what it is, but I gotta now get something to spray on it or something so I can dig it up. I don't want none of that mess because all of it is just weed and root infested. So that's what I got done so far, y'all. Proud of the work. This is the yard now, what it's looking like. Still a long way to go because when it comes to these vines and roots and stuff, got a job on our hand. But babe, he cut down the tree right there yesterday. We had a bunch of trees laying out here in the yard. We done took out there to the road. So, yeah. Gonna cut this tree down off the house. Now it's clear over here. Making progress, y'all. Making progress. Cleaning off the top of the shed. It's halfway clean. The stuff up there was knee deep, y'all. Crank that weed eater for me.
Why you got the screen so long?
Remember you got the